So I got my oil changes at Walmart. I was in Iowa and I didn't really have public land that I could have had access to, or like a level spot that could have changed it without uh, probably getting into some trouble. So I just decided to go to the Walmart Supercenter. They do like a high mileage oil change for like $44, but my truck takes a little more motor oil than the traditional car, so I ended up getting charged like $50, and then with tax it was like 50, 30, 26, which it's not that bad. A lot of shops that do oil changes probably charge like 70, 80, 90 for an oil change, so the pricing seems all right. So they wrote down my truck has 218,981 miles. Um, you can see it right there. My truck actually has 219,981 miles. So they're off by 1,000 miles in mileage. I'm gonna check the oil level of the dipstick. Um, I pretty much changed it last time. I didn't like put new oil in for 5,000 miles, so they said it was a little low, but that kind of makes sense. Went through like a lot of oil. Over 5,000 miles, just about. I'm just gonna take out the dipstick and see what the color of the oil is. So you got the dipstick, and I'm gonna check the oil level. You guys can see. Um, it's pretty much right to the second dot. Right where my finger is. Actually, looks like they put a little too much in. It's like right to there. You really want to be in between the dots. My truck does take 6.5 quarts of oil. Um, let's try one more time. Yeah, it's about right. I guess I just didn't clean it that well. So basically, oil looks fine since it's full. I can already tell it's not leaking, so I think they did a pretty good service. Let's see, they put a frame guard, so they put an orange oil filter in. Um, let's see the bolt. Let's see the bolt. It's right there. Goes. Oh, let's see. So they put like blue shit around the bolt, which I'm not appreciative of, but it might make it harder to take that off. Um, is the bolt on good? Let's see. This bolt's on past finger tight, which is I guess is good. I don't know. I guess they must have put like Loctite around the bolt to really keep it in place. But I hope that shit doesn't get in the engine. Um, don't think it. I think it seals around the bolt, so I might be good there. But it's just something to kind of keep note of. The blue stuff. I looked it up online. It looks like the blue Loctite's alright to be used there. I don't know. I guess I have like a weird bolt in my drain plug. The head it's supposed to be like a 14 millimeter bolt, but the head's like 9/16. Um, and the some of the threads in the bolt over like 20-30 years got a little stripped, so it might make sense to use the blue Loctite there. I don't think it's gonna hurt the engine. So my immediate reactions: Walmart's a pretty good place to get an oil change. Looks like they did a decent job. They use Loctite, which is kind of beyond what a lot of shops would have done. Um, I think it's gonna hold up for at least another 5,000 miles. It's weird like handing your keys over to the shop when you're used to doing like all your oil changes yourself. But they did a good job with the truck. I have to give it to them. Uh, I think that I think a lot of people like overlook like Walmart's like auto Walmart's that have an auto like care section. They do a pretty good job of tires and like oil changes.